Hello world, welcome to Daily Spark. Today, I have an intriguing fact about the amazing flea. Did you know that fleas can jump 200 times their body length? Yes, you heard that right. To put this into perspective, imagine a basketball player jumping over 200 feet in a single bound. That's the equivalent of jumping over 4 football fields. Fleas achieve this incredible feat thanks to their powerful legs and a protein called resilin, which stores and releases energy like a spring. This ability allows them to quickly move between hosts and escape predators, making them incredibly efficient survivors. Let's take a moment to appreciate the wonders of nature. Today, be curious, explore new facts, and share the knowledge with others. By doing so, we can spread wonder and curiosity far and wide. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, stay inspired, and enjoy your day.